Yale has walked around the world from city to city. It has accumulated a significant amount of vehicle knowledge to meet its clients' needs in different regions of the world. Therefore, Yale is able to provide various solutions for vehicle window regulator and motors. With over 30 years of experience in manufacturing, numerous international quality certifications, high-level performance, and guarantees for quality stability, Yale has become a major corporation for vehicle window regulator and motors. Yale products meet the international standards for product installation and performance. Furthermore, it strives to enhance driving comfort to achieve the best customer experience. Yale's professional R&D team is able to adapt to client needs while implementing modular design, analyzing commonality of all parts, and accelerates the development time. 3D simulation software is also used to run verification to avoid design errors while maintaining a stable and reliable quality. Yale has tested more than 3,000 pieces of car doors for development simulation and product validation purposes. The doors are also used for inspecting the product fitment, performance, and anti-pinch function during the mass production. In order to guarantee the most comfortable driving experience under any conditions, Yale performs over 30 quality validation tests through its own laboratory, which is based on international genuine standard specifications. Yale controls quality by vertical integration from the beginning process to the finished product. Throughout these various phases, Yale's perseverance in self-manufacturing continues to optimize the production process and develops a highly automated process in order to ensure its products can keep up with the highest grade of performance and quality specifications. During final assembly, Yale oversees 100% real-time online quality control inspections to ensure proper lift functions and features before the delivery of each product. For over 30 years, Yale continuously strives to create superior and comfortable products. Through the diligence and compliance to the genuine quality specifications, Yale delivers the most reliable vehicle window regulator and motors to each of its clients. Yale, lift up your driving comfort.